Your windows are making your home 20 degrees hotter right now. Not your roof, not your walls, your windows. A single south-facing window can let in more heat in one afternoon than your entire AC system removes in the same period. That window is acting like a magnifying glass aimed directly at your living room right now, and the fix costs $0 and takes 3 minutes. A NASA materials study from 1971 documented exactly why this happens and exactly how to stop it. The fix has been sitting in your kitchen drawer this entire time. Welcome to Vault Breaker, where we open every vault that billion-dollar industries paid to lock shut. Subscribe and ring the bell right now, because what you learn in the next 11 minutes, you can apply before this video ends. Here is the physics nobody explains to you. Sunlight passes through glass's visible light, which your window allows through easily. That light then strikes the surfaces inside your room, your floor, your furniture, your walls. Those surfaces absorb the light energy and convert it into infrared heat. Infrared heat cannot pass back out through glass nearly as easily as visible light passed in. This is called the greenhouse effect, and your window is performing it perfectly, all day, every day, all summer long. Heat comes in easily, heat leaves with great difficulty. Your room becomes a slow-cooking oven with glass walls, and most homeowners have no idea this is happening. A standard double-pane window with no additional treatment allows roughly 87% of incoming solar heat to pass directly into your home. On a south-facing window receiving direct afternoon sun, that translates to a measurable temperature increase of 15 to 25 degrees in the immediate area around that window compared to the rest of the room. Multiply that across every south and west-facing window in your home, and you understand exactly why certain rooms never seem to cool down, no matter how hard your AC works. In 1971, NASA conducted materials research for spacecraft thermal control and discovered that a thin layer of polished metal reflects the vast majority of incoming solar radiation before it can convert to heat. The same principle that protected astronauts from solar radiation in space works identically on a window in your living room. NASA engineers documented that a reflective metallic surface placed on the sun-facing side of any glass panel blocks between 80 and 95% of incoming solar heat before it ever enters the structure. This research was published in public NASA technical reports. It was never classified. It was never hidden in any legal sense. It simply never reached residential consumers because no industry profited from telling you that aluminum foil from your kitchen drawer could outperform a $300 window film installation. Think about that for a moment. The window film and tinting industry generates over $1.2 billion annually in the United States, installing reflective films that use this exact principle. Professional window film installation costs between $300 and $800 per window depending on size and film quality. The active mechanism in nearly every premium window film product is a thin, reflective metallic layer. Precisely the same physics NASA documented in 1971 using polished aluminum. You already own a version of this material. It is sitting in your kitchen right now in a cardboard box. Here is exactly what to do and exactly why each step matters. Identify every window in your home that receives direct sunlight for more than 2 hours during the hottest part of the day, typically between 11 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon. South-facing and west-facing windows are almost always your primary targets. Measure the interior dimensions of the window glass you want to treat. Cut a piece of standard kitchen aluminum foil to match those dimensions, with a small additional margin on each side. Press the foil gently against the interior glass surface, shiny side facing outward toward the sun. The reflective shiny surface must face the incoming sunlight to bounce solar radiation back outward before it converts to heat inside your home. You can secure the foil temporarily using painter's tape along the edges, which removes cleanly without damaging window frames or trim. For a more permanent and less visually obvious solution, purchase a roll of reflective insulation material, sold inexpensively at any hardware store as radiant barrier or bubble foil insulation, and cut it to the same window dimensions using the same application method. Within 3 minutes of applying this treatment to a single window, you will notice the area directly around that window stops radiating the intense heat you previously felt standing near it. Within the first hour, the overall temperature of the room containing that window begins measurably dropping as the primary heat source has been blocked at its entry point. For windows where you still want visibility during the day, apply the reflective material only to the upper 2/3 of the glass, since most direct overhead summer sun enters through the top portion of a window, while the lower portion typically faces a less intense angle. This preserves your view while still blocking the majority of incoming solar heat. For an even more effective version of this fix, combine the reflective material with simple cardboard or foam board cut to fit snugly inside the window frame on the most extreme heat days, creating both a reflective barrier and an insulating air gap simultaneously. I want to be completely honest about what this approach does and does not do. Aluminum foil on your window blocks the majority of incoming solar heat extremely effectively, but it also blocks the majority of incoming visible light, meaning that room becomes notably darker during the hours the treatment is applied. This trade-off is worth it during the 3 to 4 hottest hours of a summer afternoon. But most homeowners remove the foil treatment once direct sun has passed, and natural light becomes valuable again rather than harmful. For windows where you want both heat blocking and visibility maintained throughout the day, the Radiant Barrier Insulation product, which has a more subtle reflective appearance, similar to frosted glass, is the better long-term choice despite costing slightly more than plain kitchen foil. The limitation is real. The underlying physics still makes the window film industry extremely uncomfortable. A homeowner in Sacramento, California documented her experience applying aluminum foil to 4 south and west facing windows during a July heat wave in 2023. Her living room, which previously reached 92 degrees by 3 in the afternoon, despite continuous air conditioning, measured 74 degrees at the same time after applying the foil treatment that morning. An 18-degree drop using $12 of aluminum foil and painter's tape. Her air conditioning system, which had previously run continuously from 10 in the morning until well after sunset during heat wave conditions, cycled on and off normally for the remainder of that day. She estimated her electricity usage for that single day dropped by approximately 40% based on her smart meter readings. Total cost, under $15 for materials covering 4 windows. NASA documented this exact principle in 1971 to protect spacecraft from solar radiation in the vacuum of space. The window film industry built a $1.2 billion annual market around the same reflective metal principle, repackaged in branded film and installed by professionals for hundreds of dollars per window. You already have the raw material sitting in your kitchen right now. Your windows are making your home 20 degrees hotter than it needs to be at this exact moment while you watch this video. The fix costs nothing extra because you already own it, and it takes 3 minutes per window. If this vault opened something for you, subscribe and share it immediately with someone whose home turns into an oven every summer afternoon. Every share puts a crack in the wall the window film industry built around a free fix sitting in everyone's kitchen drawer. The next vault opens soon, and what is buried inside it has been hidden from homeowners even longer than this one has.